In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a Timbren SES severe service kit on the rear of this Ram 1500 pickup. Hey everyone, my name is Mike with Timbren Industries, and today we're going to be installing this Timbren SES severe service kit on this new Dodge Ram 1500. If you have a Ram 1500 with a camper already installed, you're going to need some extra suspension support to haul that extra weight around safely. Because of the unique weight created by these truck campers, a different suspension solution is required. Timbren SES severe service kits use a single convoluted Aeon spring that can handle the weight more aggressively. They're able to eliminate the side-to-side sway and roll that truck campers are notorious for. By eliminating that sway and roll, your vehicle and your family are safer. These Timbren SES severe service kits fit Ram 1500s from 2009 to 2022. Let's get to it. We're going to use this 1/2-inch impact, this 7/8 socket, this pry bar, and a little bit of soapy water. First, raise your vehicle to allow the axle to hang freely. Even though this step isn't necessary, it will make the job much easier. If using a floor jack, be sure to use wheel chocks to maximize safety when lifting one end of the vehicle and secure the vehicle using jack stands. Remove the existing bump stop by prying it out of the bump stop cup. This simple pry bar will do the trick. Once the bump stop is removed, position the Timbren spring assembly directly beneath the bump stop cup. As you can see, the rubber spring, steel disc, and 2 rubber spacers come pre-assembled for quick and easy installation. Be sure to hold the spring assembly with the rubber spacer on top. Pro tip, spray some soapy water on the rubber spacer to reduce friction. Then proceed to push and twist the spring assembly simultaneously until the rubber spacer on top is seated in the bump stop cup. The spacer does not need to be seated all the way just yet. Next, to ensure the Aeon spring assembly is fully seated in the cup, insert a temporary spacer like a piece of 2x4 wood. Place the 2x4 between the rubber spring and the axle before lowering the vehicle. Once you have successfully seated the spring assembly into the cup, remove your temporary spacer. If the truck has no load, there should be a space between the rubber spring and the axle, approximately 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches. Remember, Timbren SES kits come with a lifetime warranty and satisfaction guarantee. You can get more information about Timbren SES kits at timbren.com. See you next time.